everyone and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm bringing you with another summer vibe look. I'm really happy that you guys enjoyed my other previous makeup, which was the rainbow tutorial. I'm really glad you guys liked that. So if you did enjoy that video, make sure that you guys like this video as well, and then you already know the drill. If you like it, make sure that you give this video a big thumbs up. And for those of you who haven't yet subscribed to my channel, I recommend you guys to subscribe if you like this type of content. So I hope you guys are ready to create this look. So I do want to be doing a quick note. Summer hasn't yet officially started. I do know it starts on June 21st and ends on September the 23rd. If I'm not wrong, you guys can check on the calendar. But anyways, I hope you guys are ready, and let's go ahead and continue on with this video. Okay, you guys, so in order to create these looks, I am going to be using two different palettes, which is the NYX Ultimate Eyeshadow Palette, which is this right here, and then we are going to be using the Morphe palette by James Charles as well. So if you guys don't have these makeup palettes, you can get any different colors that you have available with you. So I hope you guys are ready for this. Now, the first thing you want to do is make sure you add some eye primer. I always say this at the beginning before I start my makeup. And also, if you're having hands-on tape, that will be awesome for you guys to use it as well. So I'm going to go ahead and apply that really quick. Okay, you guys, so here I have a small angle brush, and I forgot the name of this, so that doesn't even matter. So I'm going to go ahead and start off with the Morphe using the rusted color, which is this right here, and I'm simply going to grab just a little bit so that way I can go ahead and guide me where I'm going to be applying in the color. And I'm just simply creating a line on how I want this look to be. Now going in with a different brush, this is a little flat brush as well, as you can tell, and I'm just simply going to pack the same color on this. Now I'm going to be grabbing this shade right here, which is 518, and I'm going to go ahead and apply that right on top of the other color. So we're just simply going to blend this on top. now going in with the NYX palette, I'm going to be grabbing this light orange, and I'm just simply going to go ahead and apply this on top of it as well.
So I'm just focusing and blending straight into the orange, so that way I can get a really nice ombre gradient of color, and just continually blending until I get my entire desired tendency. Okay, so how you guys notice, I did went straight up to the brown bone, and once I stop using all my blendings on this color, you will be seeing me going in between brushes. So I will be applying the same colors and redoing them all over again, so that way I can get the look that I need, because I do want this look to be intense for you guys. So you will be seeing that. And also remember to always keep packing and blending until you get the color that you need.
So now we'll go over and grab this first coat and just pack a little bit more until it gets a little bit darker. Okay, you guys, so this is what I used to create the cut crease, which is the Maybelline concealer in light 15, and here is the flat brush that I use for this cut crease. So I know it's not perfect, so we're gonna go ahead and start packing in the blue color, which is this one right here, and this one is called Playground, and here I have a flat brush, and I'm just simply going to go ahead and pack some of this color into the lid.
So right after rubbing the brush of the eyeshadow that I need, I am actually going to pat or press the product into the eyelid, as you guys can see. And also you can mist your brush with setting spray just to deepen the opacity of the powder eyeshadow for a better pickup.
So now that we have finished applying the blue color, we're gonna be using this liquid liner in white, and this is from NYX.
So basically what I'm doing is creating the line right above where I created my cut crease from the beginning. So just remember to apply a few more coats to the line just to get that sharp white look. And also, I know it's not the perfect cut crease, but you can also make it a little bit more bigger just to make them more of a hooded eye. But mine's, I did it kind of small, but that is optional for you guys as well. I forgot to mention you that. And also, if you guys don't want to apply this liquid white liner, you can apply any different color. You can also use some glitter to make it more beautiful, but I'm just using the white liner, as you guys can tell.
I'm gonna go ahead and start off using my liquid line eyeliner, and this is from Maybelline, and this is the Master Precise, and this is in black. So now I'm gonna go ahead and apply some of the mascara from Maybelline, and this is the Mega Plush. You guys already know I use this a lot on my tutorials. Okay, so I already went ahead and applied my fall eyelashes. Now we're gonna go ahead and remove these tapes so that way we can continue on applying the eyeshadow below the eye. So going back with the Morphe palette, we're going to be using the color Rusted. which we apply first. And here I'm gonna go ahead and start off packing these underneath. Now going back with the NYX, I am going to be grabbing this light orange again, and I'm just simply going to blend that with the other color. Now for the teardrop of the inner corner of the eye, I'm going to be using this shade called Hello. And just look at this pigmented. It's really shimmer actually. And look how nice it is. Let me apply some more over here. And this is just a normal brush for the corners. Now this is from Essence Beauty. It's kind of blurry, you can hardly even tell the letters, but this is to smoke out the eye. But I'm using this for the inner corner of the eye. And last but not least, we're going to go ahead and apply some more mascara below the lashes, just so we can finish up this look. For the lipstick, I'm going to be using the Mary Kay, and this is called Give You, and this is what it looks like. It's like a nice orangey color. Let me show you guys. It's really light, you can hardly even tell.
Oh my god, you guys, so I just realized that I actually named the lipstick wrong. It's actually called Give Joy, so sorry about that. Now I did forget to mention one more thing. You can also apply some lip pencil on your lip just to create the lining, and also you can apply some of the gloss just to create that brilliant.
Alright you guys, so we have come to the end of this makeup tutorial. I really do hope you guys enjoy, and once again, don't forget to give this video a big like, and I will see you guys pretty soon for our next one. Bye guys.